Steam boilers have many uses in pharmaceutical factories, and the steam required for heating, concentration, drying, heat exchange, etc. Do you want to know what kind of boilers do pharmaceutical factories choose? Recently, a pharmaceutical factory in Central Asia chose EPCB steam boiler to provide steam and heat for production. Let's take a look at the installation site together. Boiler room is clean and tidy, and the space utilization rate is high, which is in line with the clean and tidy use environment of pharmaceutical factory. Adopt a high-quality and low-cost electronic control system. Accurate monitoring of boiler operating data will make your boiler safer. Adopt well-known brand water softening equipment, ensures high-quality water supply.